All right, everybody, thank you so much for your support on Kit. A lot of people have been following along, a lot of nice comments, and Kit has really grown our channel quite a bit, and it's become clear to me that when I do other videos, it's not what you guys want to see. You love that 80s kind of, take us back to our childhood memories, and you know what? I like it too. So for our next project, I have been on the lookout for a Chevy van to do an 18 van, and a couple of other 80s cars too that I haven't had much luck with, but something I've been working on for quite a while fell in my lap, and I think you're gonna be surprised. So let's go see it. Obviously, this car is way too rare to turn into the Magnum PI Ferrari, and it would be a shame to turn this white on white 308 into just a red with tan interior. I don't think that would be doing justice to the car. I think that would be defacing the car. So I am going to sell this car forward. I'm not going to keep it around. I'm not going to do anything to it. Unless you'd like to see us put it back together. I mean, if you want to see us get this car back on the road after 12 years, put it in the comments. Let me know. This car has been sitting for 12 years in a garage, not being ran. So before we do anything with it, you're gonna have to go through the timing belts, do a tune-up on it, change all the fluids. We don't wanna try and crank it over and suck bad gas into the engine and snap a timing belt and destroy the engine. Question is, do you guys wanna see that on the channel? If you wanna see it, put it in the comments down below. Tell us what you think. Do you wanna see us working on this car, or are we just gonna keep working on Kit all the time? I know you wanna see 80s cars. I wanna give you what you wanna see, so tell me, do you wanna see us get this car back on the road? Otherwise, what 80s icon do you wanna see us build? Let's be realistic here. I'm not gonna build a DeLorean. I'm not gonna build a Ghostbusters wagon. Tell us, what do you want to see?